Hello, welcome to Writing 112, Academic Writing 2. I'm your instructor, Chris, or you can call me Professor K. This is an 8-week course. It's online mostly, but we will be doing a Zoom class on Wednesdays. We'll meet at 6 o'clock. The course officially begins March 16th. I look forward to working with you all, and just wanted to give you quick overview of what's going on the first week. So, good thing to look at before the course officially starts, and also as we get started is the syllabus. Here's some contact information to email for me, course description. There's a lot of good information in here to look through. Information on late assignments, late discussions. Please do get your discussions done on time, and also your assignments done on time. That way you'll get added points, and also I'll be able to help you with improving your work more. So grading here, and some of the assignments we'll be working on and how they're weighted in their grading. The first assignment, which is due approximately 2 weeks after we start, is an issue exploration assignment, and I did want to go to that for mostly what I'm going to talk about today. And content is where you'll find the resources that we'll be using. There isn't a textbook, so it's really your benefit to go through all the material, because that's what you're paying for, and or Uncle Sam is paying for. Either way, it's how you're going to benefit from the course to learn. As writing is a process, it takes time to learn how to do things correctly. And this one, so our goals this week, the first week, will be applying some pre-writing techniques to identify a general topic for your research paper, and identifying your goals in the course, and identifying subjects and dependent and independent clauses in writing, so that we know how to do complete thoughts with our sentences and get them so that readers can understand what you're trying to say in a clear way. So let's look at the most important part of this starting the course, I think, is finding a topic that you're passionate about, that you really want to research and find out more about, that's related to your field of study. So there's a lot of things going on, like in cybersecurity, and a lot of students are in that, or whatever your field of study is. But you don't want to be too general in your topic, because that will be kind of boring for the reader, because it's just general information. So you want to find something that you can really get into some specifics about what you want to research, and find the details that will make your paper interesting. And that's a good background to get you started on your college work, knowing how to research and present interesting information based on credible source material. So that's really just wanted to give you an overview of what we're going to tackle the first week, and I'll talk definitely more about it during our Zoom class. If in any way you cannot make the Zoom class, please remember that you can find all the content. For the most part, we'll be doing work and activities and helping each other out during the Zoom class. But if you can't make it for some reason, go through these links. Your discussions are here. You want to post by Friday, reply to a classmate by Sunday, and another one by Tuesday to get full points for that. And so there's a grammar lab. There's 3 discussions the first week. You usually have 2. The third one's just an academic integrity overview, so that you know how to present your work in your own words and how to credit sources correctly. So I look forward to working with you this block coming up. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me, and we'll definitely talk and get to know each other on our first Zoom meeting on March 16th. Take care.